Want to promote your YouTube channel by adding its link right into your Facebook bio using your iPhone? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to get it done. First, open the Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, select your profile name at the top. Next, tap on the Edit Profile button to open your customization options. Scroll down to Bio section and tap on Add or Edit to change your profile description. Now, paste your YouTube channel link into the text box and tap Save at the top right corner. And that's it. Your YouTube channel is now linked in your Facebook bio. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.